Hello guys, it's me, Caitlin here. I have a package here from Ophelia Soapery, and yeah, I already took it out of the bubble wrap because I didn't want to flash my address at you, but here we go. And it says, live well, laugh often, love much. And it's a little thank you sticker. And I'm pretty sure I saw her pack this on her packing video. And then she throws in her business card, really pretty. You can come in here. Come here, buddy. You want to say hi? Here. Ready? Ready? Lay your head back. Lay your head back. Say hello. We just got home from Burger King. He played in the play area. Alright, so there's the business card. And then here is a sample. And this is the Tranquil sample. And her soaps have olive oil, coconut oil, shea butter, cocoa butter, castor oil, and obviously any other additives or whatever. So I'm actually going to keep the ingredient label intact, I'm going to cut that with my scissors because I like to be able to see what all is in there just in case I have a bad reaction to something. But there's the sample. Oh, that smells good. Yes, very clean smelling. And then I got the Rocky Mountain Skies Moon Soap. And I got this because the ingredients sounded really, not the ingredients, the fragrance description sounded really good. But I didn't want to commit to a whole bar of it. So, let's take a sniff. And I like to keep all of these ingredient labels intact so I could, one, remember what the soap was called, so if she makes it again, I know which one I like. And then also, if my skin reacts extra well to it or bad to it, then I know exactly what was in it. And I could compare the ingredients in my soaps to see what might be causing an issue. So, there's that. How pretty is that? It smells really clean. Yeah, this smells very clean. A nice, fresh, outdoorsy, clean smell. I like this mold too, that's really neat looking. There's that. And then I also got her Royal soap, and I liked the description of the fragrance on here. I don't want to scratch it. Actually, I can just smell it right through the bottom. This smells really, I don't want to say musky, but it has a really, I don't know, natural smell to it. Baby's breath, white flowers, accent of clove, nutmeg, patchouli, musk, okay, there it is, musk, sandalwood, and Madagascar vanilla. And there's the top of it, very pretty. Let me just peel that. And there it is. This is a 3-layer soap, all in the pot swirls with mica lines in the middle. A little bit of the tag stuck to it. There we go. Smells very good. I like the sandalwood and the patchouli combination with the baby's breath. It has a very earthy, musky, which I'm describing it horribly, but It's just very natural smelling. It almost has the same like scent as a dragon's blood would. Like the same notes. Very pretty. I love the top. And I always like to keep the tags with them. These actually will make my bathroom smell really good too, sitting on my shelf. Here is some crinkle paper. And we have here the Jawbreaker, which is her confetti soap. And this is lemon rinds, lime, grapefruit, middle notes of lemongrass, lily, and verbena, and base notes of vanilla sugar. Yeah, it does smell like Fruit Loops. Or Fruity Pebbles. Oh yeah, it does. And there's the top. When I saw the making video of this, I was like, I need it. There it is. It does smell good. Yes. Somehow she has a way of making all of her soaps, even like these kind of scents, smell on the more expensive side, which I don't know how she does it. But they always smell just like fresh and like high quality. My husband's trying to keep my son quiet for me while I do this, so he's in the living room whispering. Patrick, what are you doing? Anyways, so, actually, I'm going to actually just keep these because I know which one's which. So I'm just going to keep them over there, take all the labels off, show you the bars again. How pretty! And there you guys go. There's my order from Ophelia Soapery. Julie is an amazing artist, and her, I don't know if it's the oil she uses, because I know the oils are different from the other batch of soap that I got from her, but I think it might be like the percentage she uses or something, but it disagrees with my skin, specifically my face. And if I try to veer away from using her soap on my face, I end up breaking out. So I have to keep getting her soap for my face because it's the best soap for my face, other than like some of the ones that I've made for myself. But yeah, sometimes it's nice just to get some from somebody else and support another small business. Alrighty guys, thank you so much for watching, and I hope you guys enjoy your day, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.